Well Marley, another 4th of July has come and gone. What am I going to do now? There's nothing to entertain me this summer. I have an idea. To start the day, why don't I make a YouTube video? But I better be careful. I have 3 copyright strikes for using other people's content in my videos. Let's not get my channel terminated. In this video, I am going to make it a karaoke video. I will sing a very popular song. What is it, Marley? I can't understand your barking. Hi guys, Cooper here, and today I am going to sing a song as karaoke, a 1, 2, and a 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's upload this video to YouTube. All finished. Let's see if my video got uploaded and has got over 1 million views. No. What kind of crap did I even upload? I guess uploading someone else's songs are illegal as well. I am so dumber than ever. I never knew so much about copyright. Maybe it's a good idea for me to take a walk to make me feel better. I better go before I start being violent.